Stop it. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, we are back today with our What Is This series, and we are going to actually be talking about a skincare item that a lot of people have always been like, what is this? Why do I need this? What is the deal with this? Also, you might be like, what is this series? What's going on here? Well, first of all, really quick, let's talk some business. If you have been watching my channel over the last couple of months, you know that we have been getting ready for a stockpile giveaway. The stockpile giveaway actually started last week and is going through April 9th, just to jog your memory. I have a gigantic box full of good stuff, and we're giving away just to a random subscriber. So I will link that video in the description box of this video on YouTube. So really quick, you have until April 9th, so you have like about a week to go and enter that. So just if you were like, wondering about that, that is actually happening right now, so go enter that video. It's really simple. You just have to be subscribed to my channel and tell me your favorite subscription box or subscription box you would like to try, whatever, and you have to be in the US and be 18. Okay, so making a lot of noise in here tonight. All right, so tonight we're gonna be back with our What Is This series. That series basically is a series I started on my YouTube channel a couple months ago, and it's essentially a series where we talk about like different items in the beauty industry or like makeup world or whatever, things that like you see and you like don't actually know what it is, but people you always see on videos are like, oh, I use this on my skin. You're like, why do you use that? Why do you need that? And as somebody who, when I got started on this whole like journey to like self-improvement, in the makeup, physical side, all the things, there was a lot of products that like I would go to stores and I was kind of embarrassed because I had no idea what they were. And I actually for the longest time thought it was just me. Thought like I was just like the only woman who didn't actually know how to use these products, and turns out there's a lot of people who don't know how to use them. You're just always like nervous to ask because you go in store like an Ulta or Sephora and you're just like, do I ask her what this is? Do I get laughed at? Like, what do I do? So we are going to be talking skincare tonight. And basically the item we're going to be talking about is an item that I was always like, what is the deal with this? What do I need with this? We're going to be talking about toner. So, a lot of you, okay, first of all, why can't I get anything to focus anymore? I think it's like my lights are too bright and I can't get anything to focus. No, maybe. Okay, we're going to be talking about toner. I have Neutrogena Pore Refining Toner here. Now the lights are just completely off. I'm like trying to get it back. So basically, what is toner? So I always like, for like my whole life, people would be like, oh, you wash your face and then you use toner. And I'm like, when do you use toner? What's the purpose of toner? And a lot of times, like growing up, they'd be like, oh, well, for your perfect skincare routine, you need this, this, and this. And toner would usually be in it. But a lot of times you're like, do I actually need it? What is the deal with it? So essentially what toner is, I did some research first of all, just see what the internet specifically says, and also just from my own personal learning and knowledge. Toner is basically something that you use after washing your face. It is especially something that is great for people with like oily skin, acne prone skin, unbalanced skin, which means like your skin can go from like oily to dry, like it's kind of like shifts back and forth. Somebody like me who has like a lot of hormonal shifts after significant weight loss. So I actually have, my skin used to be like pretty much acne free, and now I get random breakouts and I'll have like randomly clear skin because my skin is now like off balance because of hormones. Or for people who use a lot of makeup, like I wear a lot of makeup because I'm a beauty blogger. So, well, I mean, also I'd probably just do it anyway, but I mean, I do wear a lot of makeup. So toner essentially is a way that after you wash your face, it is a way to kind of dig all of that extra foundation or gook out of your skin, the extra dirt, and also depending on the type of toner that you get, it actually a lot of times will help rebalance your skin's pH level and kind of just like level things out, level the playing field, so to speak, so that your skin can like properly absorb like nutrition, like serums and moisturizers and things of that nature. So I actually already have washed my face beforehand, and now I'm basically going to literally show you how to apply a toner. It's really simple. It's not complicated. So first off, you might be saying, do I need a toner? No, not everybody needs a toner. But like I said, if you have one of the issues like I mentioned before, or honestly for me personally, because I wear so much makeup, I feel like it's really great necessity to use because it's something that can just, like I said, get those extra grooves out of your skin. A lot of times after washing my face, I will go over my skin with like a toner or what's called like a micellar water. So you may have seen before like Garnier has a lot of things. They're called micellar waters. They're like these cleansing waters that people talk about to use on your skin. So I thought people would say like, oh, you use that on your skin instead of washing your face. No, you should still actually wash your face with like a soap. And let me mention, you should be washing your face in the morning when you wake up and at nighttime. I know it's a lot of work, but it's important to keep your skin nice because seriously, like this is all you get. Like you get this one round and then, you know, basically, after you wash your face, the easiest method is to take like a little cotton round. You can find these at like Target or Walmart. You can get like 100 of them for like $2. And then you take your toner or micellar water. Yes, you can use micellar water instead. So honestly, the cleansing waters are great for people who don't actually have like the acne prone skin, or if you have sensitive skin, use something like a micellar water that's really, really gentle to just go over your skin one more time to pull all the extra ick, we'll say, out of your skin. So I would say not everyone needs a toner, but I would actually recommend that if you are someone who regularly wears makeup and does different products and things to your face, to do something like a cleansing water every time after you wash your face. Also, another thing that I've seen as a recommendation, some people use a toner morning and night on their skin. I started using toner primarily at night. Unless I'm dealing with like a massive breakout issue, I usually only use a toner at night now, just because toner can be drying on your skin. And the one I'm using, this Neutrogena Pore Refining Toner, this is a little bit strong and it does kind of have like a little bit of like that alcoholic scent to it. Essentially, I put some on here and I literally just take it and in a circular motion, just rub it over my skin. You don't have to like deep clean or scrub. I mean, sometimes if you know you've had like massive like makeup on, I actually didn't even wear makeup today. I had no time. I had like doctor's appointments and all kinds of things today, so I've not had any time. I got to visit my grandpa today. I feel like somebody just got in my mouth. And so I really didn't even wear makeup today. But what's funny is you'll probably even see a little bit of something on this, even though last night I toned my skin and washed my face and washed my face this morning and washed my face again, just because you never really know what like gets on your skin during the day. It's like kind of like unsettling at times, but also like I said, this is a really good way to make sure your skin is fully clear. And another really great thing about toner is that it actually can help like shrink your pores and refine them. So as you notice, like my pores don't look super enlarged right now. I've been using a pore refining toner. So that's another thing about it. So like I said, I washed my face last night. I washed my face this morning. I didn't even wear makeup today. And I don't know if you can see that, but there is a little bit of discoloration on the cotton pad. I'm not trying to be gross, but I mean, essentially, that's the purpose of toner, to remove like the extra junk in your skin. So now after washing my face, I feel like my face is actually like fully clean. So you might be saying, well, what do I do after I use toner? Well, for me, after I use toner, I always like to put on a serum on my skin. Today I'm using Spa Pharma Anti-Aging Serum. I'm just gonna put a couple of dabs of that on the palm of my hand and then rub that into my skin. I didn't get very much on. The pump's breaking on my serum. It's very sad. And then I'm going to let that sit into my skin and absorb for like, you know, 30 seconds or whatever. And then so while that's absorbing, I'm actually going to put in some eye cream. Some of you have been asking what kind of eye cream I've been using. I've actually been using Revitalift Cica cream from L'Oreal Paris. This is like a drugstore style brand product. It's really cheap. You get a big size of it and it actually works really, really well for under eyes. I'm actually really impressed with it. I was sent it complimentary for testing from L'Oreal and from Influencer to try out, and I've been really, really happy with the results so far. I've been using it for like honestly like the last like 2 or 3 months, and I think it works really, really great. And it's really gentle on my skin. You can kind of feel like the strengthening like underneath the eyes, so that's really good. And then I'm going to put on my moisturizer, which I'm using Origins Plantscriptions Power Anti-Aging Cream. I always put it on the back of my finger like that, and then I just rub it into my skin. And essentially, like, that's like my main skincare routine, like at nighttime. And in the morning, it's about the same. I just don't usually use a toner. So this video is a little bit all over the place. It wasn't like super, super plotted out, but I figured I'd come out here and make a little video for you guys, remind you that the giveaway is going on. And also you can see like my skin, it absorbed the moisture really, really well. That's the other awesome thing that I love about toner. After using something like a toner or a micellar water on my skin, it works really great for making my skin ready to absorb moisture. It's crazy because sometimes right after washing your face, you'll like go to put on your moisturizer and it feels like your skin is just like, no, no, you stop it. And it's just like not like, I don't know, like I've had that happen where I wash my face and it feels like I put on moisturizer and it just like sits on my skin. But after you use a toner and like a serum, it's seriously like your skin is just like, and my skin, as you can see, it looks dewy and really, really nice and fresh. So, and when I started this video, my skin did not look as nice as it looks now, and you've literally seen what I do. So, that's my explanation of toner. If you have any questions, comment below and I will try my best to answer them. I'm not like a skincare expert or a beauty expert. I'm literally just somebody who has been doing my own version of learning. And also, another thing you might be asking, okay, so what if I'm doing a face mask? How does that work? Like, how do I fit that in to my skincare regimen? So, if you're doing a face mask and you're somebody who uses toner morning and night, and I want to be clear, you can use toner morning and night. Just for me personally, especially in the colder months, I don't want to use toner morning and night because I don't want my skin to completely dry up. I want my skin to be able to still like absorb some good moisture, but if you have like oily skin or acne prone skin, you have to use toner regularly. I get it. So what you would do is you would wash your face, apply toner first to like remove any excess dirt, oil, sebum buildup, as well as any like makeup, and then you would put on your face mask, let that sit on for like the 20 minutes it's supposed to sit on, like if it's a sheet mask, and then you would take that off, let the, you know, serum absorb into your skin, then you would apply your regular serum and moisturizers after that. Now, if you were doing a face mask that is like a wash-off face mask, that's kind of up to you how you want to do the toner side of that. Personally, when I'm doing a face mask that is like a wash-off face mask, I usually actually do those primarily in the morning when I wouldn't be using a toner, and would do like the actual sheet mask at nighttime when I would use a toner. Does that make sense? I know it seems a little bit like whatever. So that's my best description of toner. I hope that made sense to you guys. I've really been trying to make more videos like this. I'm sorry that I've been late. You guys know I was having computer issues over the last month, but my computer is actually fixed and working really well now. And as I promised, I'd be back with more videos like this, and I'm planning to come out with a makeup tutorial very, very soon. I just have to get up the confidence to do one. But that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you very, very soon in a brand new video. And like I said, there's still time to enter the giveaway. Also, there's a child entering my video right now. This just freaked me out. You just scared the dickens out of me. Hi.
You're doing a box video?
No, I'm not doing a box video, but this is the end of the, just say hi and bye, because it's the end of the video.
Bye bye.
Okay, all right, I love you. You're supposed to be in bed right now.
I had something scary.
Okay, well, we'll talk in a minute. All right, talk to you soon. Love you. Bye. Say bye. Bye. And we hang out every day for 7 consecutive days. We have been putting together a stockpile of items called the stockpile giveaway. This is the first one we're ever doing on my YouTube channel. We're gonna keep doing it, so if you don't win this one,